How to find out EML to PST Exporter and launch the software. First of all, type EML to PST Exporter Betavare in Google search engine bar. Then click on here to open our website. Here is our website, betavare.com. Click on the Download Now button. Click on the Run button. Then select the I accept the agreement option. Then, click on Next button. Check on the box if you want to create a shortcut on desktop. Then click Next to continue. Then click on the Install button. Now click the box on Launch EML to PST Exporter and click on the Finish button. How to export EML to PST file with this software. First, you need to install EML to PST Exporter on your computer and open it. You will get two input options: select files or select multiple files. Choose any one. Then, click on the Browse button, select EML file. There is a preview of your EML file and click on the Export button. Click on the Browse button to select your output file location. Finally, click on the Convert Now button to start the process. How to uninstall the EML to PST Exporter software. When you open Control Panel, then click on the Programs icon. Then click on Uninstall a Program menu. Select the software and click the Uninstall button. Choose Yes for uninstalling software. Now, you successfully uninstall this software. Thanks for going through this video. I hope now you have got the answer to the export EML to PST file.